Hi everybody, this is Erica. I made a short video about the process of buying a home in Las Vegas and Henderson. This video will be really beneficial for my first time home buyers. Let's get started. Step 1. Meet with a real estate professional. I highly recommend to set up a meeting with a licensed realtor before you decide to buy a property. So you can discuss about real estate goals and needs. And us realtors, we're in the market every single day. So you can get information about the current real estate market. And you can also talk about the home you're looking for, including price, location, all the details you need to give it to them. And remember, a good real estate professional will make this process easy and comfortable. Here's a little tip for the buyers. Your agent's commission is paid by seller. This means your representation costs you nothing, which is a huge saving for the buyers. Step 2. Get pre-approved. Select your lender. It can be bank or a private mortgage company. Typically, banks are a little bit more strict when it comes to lending, so keep that in mind. Provide the required documents for your lender, pay stub, W-2, bank statement. It's always good to provide all the documents ahead of time to get this process easy and fast. Once the lender run your credit and look through all the documents you provided, they can approve you right away. Once you're approved, you'll receive pre-approval letter. And this letter will tell you how much you qualify to purchase a property. Step 3. Searching for home. This is probably the most exciting part of the whole journey. Make sure you communicate with the realtor about the properties you like to see. They can check the status of the property, and also if the property is occupied, we need to schedule the showing ahead of time. And once you find a property that you love, we can start the process. Offer and contract. That's step 4. Once you pick the property you want to buy, you have to make a decision on offer price and terms you want to add to the contract. Your agent will go over comparative market analysis, which is an evaluation of a home's value based on similar recent sold homes in the same neighborhood. This will help you make a decision. So once you decide these terms and price, you will sign the contract, which is called residential purchase agreement. Once you sign the residential purchase agreement, this will be delivered to the seller along with your pre-approval letter. The pre-approval letter will show that you're a qualified buyer and you're serious about this offer. Then the negotiating begins between the seller and buyer. Step 5. Escrow. Once your offer is accepted, you're going to open an escrow account. Of course, your agent will handle to open an escrow. So what is an escrow? Escrow is an arrangement where you use a third party to hold something of value. For example, earnest money deposit. That third party helps to make transactions safer by ensuring that both buyers and seller meet their obligations. Once you have an escrow account with a title company, the buyer will wire the earnest money deposit. The earnest money deposit is a way to ensure the seller that you're serious about buying their property, and it shows a good faith. Step 6. Buyer contingencies. Contingency, I'll explain it as walk-away clause in a contract. So this will protect you buying a property that doesn't meet certain expectations. So the first part of the contingency will be due diligence period. I'll refer it as buyer's investigation period. It is crucial to hire a licensed inspector to inspect the property you're about to buy. So once you get the inspection report, most of the inspectors are really good giving you the detail and what's going on with the property. Then you can put the list together with your agent and request for repairs to the seller. You can negotiate with the seller about the repairs and continue the process, or if there's way too many issues with the property, you can cancel the contract within those days. The loan contingency is usually 25 to 30 days, depends on the deal. Once the offer is accepted, the loan officer will start the loan process at the same time. If there's any issue with the loan and bank or mortgage company says, hey, I can give you the loan, you can cancel the contract without losing your earnest money deposit. Appraisal contingency is very important when you buy a property with a mortgage. In order to get a loan from a lender, the property that you're about to buy must meet the price you've agreed to pay when appraised. So the lenders would never allow you to buy a property which is way above the market price. It's because in case the buyer defaults on the loan, the bank have to take their property back and get their money back. So what happens when appraisal comes in low? There's 3 things can happen. You can renegotiate the price with the seller. Number 2, buyer brings more money to the table. Number 3, you can cancel the contract and get your earnest money deposit back. There are really important disclosures you need to receive from the seller. Seller's real property disclosure. Seller is required to disclose any known defects and ongoing issues with the property. If you're about to buy a property that is joint homeowners association, the seller is required to provide you HOA documents. These documents including litigation, their budget, the rules, regulations. If you don't agree with the HOA rules, or if the seller failed to deliver these disclosures on time, these can be reasons to cancel the contract. The final walkthrough is a very important step. This is the last chance for the buyers to check the property prior to signing official documents. We have to check the condition of the property, and remember the request for repairs we sent earlier. If seller agreed to repair certain items, we have to double check, make sure things are repaired properly. Alright, the final step, closing. So once you schedule signing with the title company, they'll get all the documents they need to get signed, including title documents, loan documents. Once everything's recorded officially and get confirmed from the escrow officer, the agent can deliver the key to the client. The home buying process is so much fun and exciting when you have the right agent. So if you have any questions regarding Las Vegas, Henderson real estate, feel free to reach out to me. I'll answer any questions you have. My name is Erica Lee. I'm a licensed realtor here in Las Vegas and Henderson. Thank you for watching my video.